Sino ba kami nagkita sa atin?
Yes, ba? Teka, pwede ko ba naman yung kami? Panginoon kasi. Kaya tayo umibig sa atin eh.
Hi, my name is Salome Salvi and ako po ay gaganap na Maita sa next episode ng Wish Ko Lang. The episode is about cheating. So, actually, I think common sense naman yun eh. Kung nire-respeto at minamahal niyo ang partner niyo, huwag kayong mangangaliwa, huwag kayong magsisinungaling, huwag kayong magtatago ng kahit anong sikreto sa kanila. So, ano lang, I think, simpleng respeto lang and everything can go from there.
Hiya kayo, ha? Ikaw ba lang dito? Ikaw, ha? Sabi na sabay.
Tama na! Tama na! Tama na! Tumigil ka na! Ano po? Uy!
Sakit ka lang, tapos tumigil ang pagkakaan mo! Tama na!
Tama na! Ano ba? Sinabi ko, tama na! Uy!
I think any breach of trust will be very, very harmful to any relationship. And for me, trust is something that I really value in my relationship. So, ayun, I think kung may breach na gano'n, mahihirapan ako na patawarin siya. It's possible, but not likely, personally, for me. Not necessarily sa cheating, kasi personally, I'm in an open relationship, so medyo lax ako sa gano'n. Pero any breach of trust, any pagsisinungaling, medyo mahirap for me na lampasan yun. I think know your worth. I-weigh nyo yung pros and cons of staying in a relationship with someone who has repeatedly breached your trust and has repeatedly betrayed you. And parang kasi merong mga tao, kasi I don't believe that people should stay in abusive relationships and lying, the constant lying and constant cheating. That's kind of form of abuse. So, yun, kasi ako eh. I like anti-domestic violence, anti-abuse tayo. So, like, as much as possible, be grounded and be clear-minded with whoever your partner is and whatever state your relationship is. Dream role ko sa television, I would love to do more action. I was in Black Rider before, I would love to do more of that. I would love to do more villain roles. Siguro, just more like meatier roles and more roles that I could practice my acting with. Hey everybody! Salome Salvi here. Panoorin po natin ang next episode ng Wish Ko Lang, 4 p.m. Sabado. See you there!